Today we're going to draw SpongeBob's best friend and everyone's favorite starfish, Patrick Star. To start, we'll draw the basic shape of Patrick. Begin by drawing a large upside-down U shape in the center of the paper. This will be Patrick's head and body. Now, let's draw Patrick's face. Start by drawing two large oval shapes near the top of the U shape for his eyes. Make sure they're close together. Draw two lines in the eyes for eyelids. Then draw two small circles for eyes. Now, draw two thin, curved lines for eyebrows. Now, draw some curved lines for his mouth. Then draw a long curved line for arm and hand. Now draw two small vertical lines. Then draw two circles on it. Then draw a long U shape for balloon. Next, draw his legs. First draw a curved line, then draw a big U shape under it. Now let's add some details to Patrick's body. Start by drawing his shorts. Draw two horizontal lines across his body, about a third of the way up from the bottom. Add some floral patterns to his shorts by drawing small random shapes like flowers or stars. This gives his shorts that classic Patrick look. Finally, it's time to bring Patrick to life with some color. Use a light pink pencil or marker to color his body. Make sure to color evenly and leave no white spots. For the floral patterns on his shorts, use bright colors like purple and green to make them pop. And there you have it, a cheerful and colorful Patrick Star. See you next time for more fun drawing tutorials. Bye for now.